Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I am actually going to my local town centre and I am going to look for the cheapest products that Mrs. Hinch uses. So excited. I've never done anything like this before. Oh, by the way, if you don't know who Mrs. Hinch is, have you been hiding under a rock? Because everyone knows who Mrs. Hinch is. She is a lovely lady that does Instagram stories, but she is so inspiring for you to get off your backside and clean your house. She makes it fun, and I've never known cleaning to be fun, but at the minute I'm really enjoying it. I love cleaning. I've got my own little Narnia cupboard, which is what she has. I've actually done a B&M haul and you guys absolutely love that B&M haul, and I did actually pick up some of Mrs. Hinch's products in that haul. That was probably about 4 or 5 weeks ago now, and I've completely run out, so I need to build up my Narnia cupboard again. I'm gonna try and go in shops like Savers, Land, and back to B&M again, because you know B&M is one of my favourite shops. I cannot shop without going in B&M, just to see how much I can pick up these products for, because some of these products can be quite expensive and Mrs. Hinch always seems to get a good deal with her products, and that's what I want to do today. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. First shop I'm going to stop at is going to be Savers, because where I park my car is literally where Savers is. So that is literally the first shop that I'm going to go in today. And then I'm going to go to Poundland, and then I'm going to go to B&M, because actually my B&M isn't actually in my town centre, so I have to drive to that one. So I'm on the lookout for cheap products that I can use to clean my house. I know that sounds really boring, guys, but I'm so excited. So excited. And I'm even more excited that I'm taking you guys along with me. Let's go. So I've literally just parked up. I am now going into Savers. Before we go, I actually forgot to tell you I made a list, and this list is Mrs. Hinch's must-haves, and I'm going to try my best to get these must-haves. I've got 15 pieces on my list, which is quite a lot to be fair, but I'm going to try and get them. I don't care, I'm going to try and get them, and I'm going to try and get them as cheap as I can, because if this helps you out, guys, and I can let you know where to get products really cheap, then so be it. Why not? Why not? We all like to save a bit of money, and you know, cleaning products are quite expensive sometimes. I've been absolutely everywhere else to find soda crystals and I can't find them, but I looked on the website and in Savers apparently they do soda crystals, so I'm on the hunt for those. That's the first thing I'm going to be on the hunt for. So let's go, guys, let's go in Savers. Savers out the way now, and I wasn't allowed to film in Savers, so I'm going in Poundland now to see what I can get in there. But I must say, Savers was absolutely amazing. I picked up so much stuff in there, and stuff that wasn't on the list either, but you know, when you see it you've got to buy it sometimes. So I'm off to Poundland now and see what I can get in there. So I want to get some of this Spring Awakening Lenore. In Savers this was actually £1.99, and this says you get extra free liquid in it, and it does 19 washes, so I'm going to pick that up. That's only £1, so desperately needed that as well. Well, I've just seen these in Savers, and in Savers these were £1.49, but in here they're only £1, so obviously you're going to save yourself a little bit if you get them in here. They are the wax melts, and they smell so nice, but I need to get myself like a wax melt pot. What they're called, like little canister thing, so I need to get myself one of those. But they also do like little tiny tea candles, and these are strawberry and cream. Let's smell. Oh my god, they smell so nice. Also, guys, look at these. These are the smallest, tiniest little candles I've ever seen, and they're little air wick candles. Next thing I've seen are these sponge erasers, and I've heard such good things about these. They get off marks off walls and stuff like that, and my granddaughter's drawn on her wall, so I told my daughter I'd pick her up some of these, and you get 2 magic sponges and they're only £1, so that's a no-brainer. I'm going to pick those ones up. I've got lots of the Dishmatic. I've got some of these at home, so I don't need, and they're only £1 also. I've actually just picked some of this toilet duck up from Savers, and I'm going to kick myself now, because in Savers these were £1.49 and in here they're only £1, so yeah, I should have waited. Okay, so they've got this Febreze in here, and actually in here they're charging £2, and I've just picked mine up for £1.49, so I'm really happy about that. This is what I was looking for, these Lenore sheets. And these are the Spring Awakening ones. Now the ones I've got are lemon and I cannot stand them. They're so strong, but you get 34 sheets in there, so that's not bad, I suppose. Got lots of Airwick candles for £2. What's this one? Cozy apple and cinnamon. Let's have a smell of this one. Oh god, that smells gorgeous. That actually really does smell nice. Now I don't like cinnamon candles, but that is really nice. I like that. Now Comfort have brought out their own limited edition frosted pine and apple fragrance. That's £2. Guys, that is amazing. That is so nice. And actually it does 33 washes, so that's not bad, you know. I might pick that one up. 1001 troubleshooter, but I've just picked up the spray, so I don't need that. I need the Sif. That's a Power Shine Sif. That's not the one that I need. I only seem to have the Power Shine, but I need the Sif cream. And they didn't have it in Savers, and it doesn't look like they've got it in here either. Also, why is it so hard to get the pine fragrance flash wipes? Like, I can't find them anywhere. What flavours? Doesn't even say which ones these are. It just says antibacterial. I don't think they're pine. No, they don't have any fragrance on them. This one here is a Mediterranean lemon. I bet they're quite nice. I'm not really into my citrusy smells. I like the fresh smells, like fresh linen and vanilla. Let's see what else we've got down here. So we've got some sponge cloths. Do you know what? I can't find a Minke anywhere. Anywhere they haven't got a Minke. So I found the Sif antibacterial ultra fast multi-purpose, but this isn't it. The Sif that I'm looking for is the cream, because I want to be able to do my cooker with it. And she does a cooker and a sink with hers, so that's what I want to do, but I can't find it anywhere. So they've got this, which is oven and cookware cleaner. Tackles the jobs other cleaners can't with no harsh chemicals. I'm wondering if this will get off the marks that are on my cooker. I might get this actually. I've never tried this before, but I might get it. I was trying to get the pink stuff, but I can't get it. Can't get it anywhere, so I might pick this one up. Yeah, I'm quite disappointed in here today, to be fair. They haven't got nearly the stuff that I wanted on my list. So I'm sorry about that, guys. I had to turn my camera off. I wasn't allowed to film in there either. I did get some sort of footage in there, not very much. I did pick up a few things in there, but to be fair, I was really disappointed. I mean, my Poundland is not that great. There was a few items in there that I saw in Savers and wished I waited, because obviously it was £1 in there, and in Savers it was like £1.79 or £1.49. I could have saved myself a little bit of money, so I should have waited. I haven't ticked everything off my list yet. I've still got a few bits that I want to get. Like I said, I want to go to B&M, and B&M is nowhere near my town centre, so I think I'm going to leave it there today. And tomorrow I'm going to pick it up again, and we're going to go to B&M, guys. And also in B&M, I know they've got their Christmas stuff out, so I'm so excited about that. I'm going to leave it there today, guys, and I'm going to see you bright and early in the morning for our B&M shop. Hi everyone, and welcome back. We are now on day 2, and I am currently outside B&M. So when I got home yesterday, I checked my list, and actually I ticked off quite a few things on my list. Savers really came through, guys. Poundland, not so much, but Savers really came through. So I have 6 or 7 items that I need to get now. So I'm really excited about going into B&M, because I want to have a look at the Christmas stuff anyway. Just tell you guys what is on the rest of my list. So today I want to try and get the Sif cream. I want to try and get that blue, which is, it's like a foam that you put down your toilet, and Mrs. Hinch swears by that stuff. She loves it. I need some white vinegar. They did have that in Poundland. For some reason I forgot to pick it up. I don't know why, but I just forgot to pick it up. So Flora, they didn't have many in Savers, really didn't have any in Poundland. So yeah, I wasn't happy about that. I want to get some more baskets because, as you know, my last B&M haul, I actually picked up some really nice baskets, but I'm in need of some more, guys. They're so handy and they're so cheap. So I'm going to pick up some more of those, and I'm going to get some Unstoppables. I need to get a mink care, guys. I need to get a mink care. I know it is so hard to get hold of a mink care. I did go, I don't think they're called mink care, it's just the way that Mrs. Hinch calls them. I did actually go on Amazon, but I'm not paying £15 for a cloth, guys. I am not paying £15 for a cloth. I'm going to stop rambling because I feel like I really have rambled in this intro. But right, come on guys, let's get in B&M and see what they've got. I'm not actually going to look at all the Christmas stuff because I've got loads of Christmas content coming up and I want to do that as a separate video. So I know, guys, I'm sorry if I spoiled it. I did say I was getting some Christmas stuff and looking at some Christmas stuff, but I'm not going to show you guys yet because you're going to come with me Christmas shopping. So come on guys, let's go B&M. Right, okay, so I know this isn't on my list, but this stuff here is Star Drops, and this is actually a laminate wood floor cleaner. Now I've got wood flooring all over my house, and I know Mrs. Hinch uses these Star Drops only £1, so I'm going to give that a go. Lots of oven cleaner. I use this Oven Pride. It is really, really good, and it's only £2.99. B&M has come through, guys. Sif cream, and how much is it? It's a, well, the lemon one is £1. So this, I would think this is the same. This is the one with the micro crystals. So this is the one I've been looking for. So the only floor I can find is this one, and it is the bouquet. And that is one of my favourite fragrances, but I've got loads of these. It's £3.99. It's 500 mils. It's £3.99. That's not bad. But yeah, I've got loads of bouquet at home. I don't really need that fragrance. So I've reached the cloths, and there's not one binky in sight. Not one. Look at these, guys. These little dishcloths. Heavy duty, but they're Christmas trees. Isn't that so good? Very clever. Guys, if you're after this Astonish Oxy Active Plus, look at the size of this. It says 74 washes, super concentrated fabric stain remover. That is £2.99. That's amazing. If you are looking for some scented candles or scented wax melts, or you name it, they have it in B&M. They have come through. I mean, look at all this. They've got the Christmas candles, which are Winter Wonderland fragrance. Oh, they smell amazing. They're £1.99. I keep seeing these, and I'm really, really torn whether I should get one or not. I mean, I want to get one of those wax melters and then get my own different scented candles, but I think this might smell really strong and really nice. So I don't know. What do you think? And that is, well, the mulled wine one is £5.49, so that's not bad. This one's called Turquoise Oasis. I don't know, to me that just sounds so nice. What do you think? Should I get it? £5.49? Should I get it? Yeah, I'm going to put it in my basket. I'm sure Mrs. Hinch would agree. But honestly, guys, if you need any smellies, you need to come to B&M. Look, B&M have come through. Guys, they've still got the marble toilet seat. Now, I was torn whether to get this or not. I did tell my husband about it, and he agreed that it looked really nice in the downstairs toilet instead of the dark grey one that he got. So we did take that one back. So I think I'm going to pick this one up today, guys, and this is £16.99. So I'm going to get that. I've not seen one like it. Yeah, I'm going to get that one today. I was looking for a Veleda spray mop everywhere, and I've just found this one in B&M. I've bought one now. The one I bought, I'm really happy with. I got mine from Home Base, and I'm quite happy with it. But there's no price on this, guys. So I can't even tell you how much it is. But if you want a Veleda spray mop, guys, they do it in B&M. Get down to B&M. Oh my God. B&M have come through with the cushions. I am not joking, it's everywhere I look, there are cushions, there are throwovers. My God, I've never seen so many. And it goes all the way down to the bottom, and they've got it this side as well. I love that blush pink, but it's coming up blush pink on camera, but actually it's like a mauvey sort of pink. But I love that. They've got really beautiful purple velvet ones. It just goes on, guys. It goes on. And then even over here, they've got even more cushions here. And I'm absolutely in love with this one here. What do you think? I think that would look really nice in the middle of my bed with the rest of my cushions. That is just going to stand out and look lovely. So I'm going to get that one today, I think. They've actually got this one here, which is the rounded type, but this is like a brown colour. If it was grey, I'll be getting that one as well. This is what I'm talking about, guys. I've come to the end, and down there they've got all your greys, and up here they've got your beiges and your browns and even white. I mean, that white cushion down there looks beautiful, but I can't get a white cushion, not with Naylor and not with my husband. He would just get food all over it. I just can't, no. So I come down my favourite aisle, it's the candle aisle, and this is why I love B&M. I mean, look at this, guys. There's candles galore in here. There's wax melts. There's everything you can think of, even candle holders. Those silver ones are really, really nice. These are absolutely stunning. I like these. They're just like glasses, but they've got candles lit inside them. And I don't know if it comes on the tray. Yeah, it does come on the mirrored tray. I'm going to get these, I think. I really, really like these. I'm loving these picture frames. They're $2.99. But just look at those. They're so nice. I also like this one for $1.99, and it says love on the bottom, and it's just this glittery frame. How pretty is that, guys? These candles are really good. Look, they're already in jars, but you get them in this big, like, container. $4.99, and you get 5 in there. And these are fragrance with frozen berries. They would look really, really nice when they're lit up. So I got a little bit distracted, and I come across these nails again. Now, I had these in my last haul, and I'm thinking of giving my nails a bit of a break from all the gel and everything that I put on them, and perhaps going for these. And they're only $1.49. I really like the look of these, and they're just going to be so simple to just stick on. So we're going to get these. $1.49. So I've just come out of B&M, and I've got to say that, guys, the cleaning stuff wasn't that great in there. They didn't have that much. I was really shocked, but I think it's because they've got all their Christmas stuff in now, and that's what they're concentrating on. But I didn't tick everything off my list, so I think I failed this Hinch's products. But I did get really, really distracted by all their other stuff that was in there. You saw that I bought some candle holders and stuff like that. So in all, I did quite a good shop. I mean, I've got that stuff in the back, so I'm not moaning. I'm still quite happy with what I got. I did get a lot of the stuff that I needed yesterday anyway, so I'm not sad about it. But yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get home, and then I'm going to take all my stuff out and show you what I got yesterday and what I got today. So I'm going to see you at home, guys. See you in a minute.